Steve Anderson's back now, and we have a change a-coming this week, right?
Yeah, the first change actually is warmer weather, and then the second change is maybe some more clouds, possibility, a little cooler weather. One of those you're going to like, I'm sure.
I'm sure. I'll pick one.
Everybody has something that they'll like this week. We certainly are looking at warm temperatures today, 90 degrees, and it's even hotter out to the west. Salt Lake City set a record today, 100 degrees. Los Angeles, you never really think of Los Angeles as being that hot a spot, but 102 degrees today for a temperature reading, 112 in Phoenix. And there's our temperature. Very pleasant out there, 73 degrees. And as I said, 90 degrees was the high today. The low this morning, 51. So we're getting hot in the day and very cool at night. The relative humidity, 28%. Winds now south at 10, the barometer rising at 30.19. And now we take a look at the radar. Nothing going on, but earlier this evening down here in the south central area of the state, we saw some showers. They've gone away now. And the satellite picture hasn't gone away. We see plenty of clouds entering the state of Colorado. For the most part, it's high cloudiness coming up from the southwest, and it looks like that will increase the possibility of showers now out in the west tomorrow, but still, it doesn't look all that bad. Clear skies for the most part over eastern Colorado, maybe a very high, thin veil of cirrus clouds out there. The frontal system now back in this area is producing the most vigorous activity, and even in Texas, at Wadsworth, Texas today, they had a tornado touchdown. Heaviest rains right along this front for the most part today. Here's the pattern of the jet stream. We like to show this to you because it does have some impact on our weather down here at the ground. These winds about 30 to 37,000 feet up, blowing out of the west and then coming down into the central part of the country, bringing cooler air into this region, warm air all over out here. These were the records were today, and including Denver with some hot temperatures, although we didn't have any records. And tomorrow, it's going to be really basically the same pattern. This front is going to slowly move down. It's very weak. Some rain up there, showers out in the southwest. And then to the east, this thing's moving very slow too, and that produces, of course, some heavy rain. It continues to dump. Sunshine in the central part of the country. 70s and 80s for the most part out in the east tomorrow, and then to the west, here's the hot stuff again. 93, the forecast high for Los Angeles tomorrow. Temperatures around the area, and these from the weather watchers, Dave Einspar in Wheat Ridge. He always seems to be one of the hotter temperatures out there. And as you can see, 88 in Aurora. Just look around, mostly 80s and 90s. Now we'll take a look at the state. Out in the west, it was 90s today, 70s and 80s for the mountains. And in the east and along the front range, mostly 80s and 90s. Well, all 80s and 90s today. There's our temperature reading, 93 down here in Trinidad, 89 in Crook from Howard Hamilton, our weather watcher up there. We bring on the forecast, and we bring on more hot weather. Tomorrow, 80s and 90s out in the west. Isolated showers possible. A lot of sunshine tomorrow, but isolated showers in the mountains, 70s and 80s. Here in eastern Colorado, we step back, take a look at isolated showers, but a nice day tomorrow. Warm again, 80s and 90s around this area. Now for Denver, we'll look for clear skies tonight. Our temperature reading should be 55 degrees for a low. Tomorrow, a carbon copy, mostly sunny, a high of 90, a low temperature of 58. We forget to turn off the heat on Tuesday, too. 90 degrees, but that front we looked at on the map may come through, cool us off a little bit on Wednesday, down to about 82. Thursday, about 84, which is exactly normal for this time of the year. Friday, afternoon showers and thunderstorms and a high temperature of 86.
Okay, thanks a lot, Steve.
Thank you much.